Good evening, everybody. How's the Josh? I would like to welcome each and everyone to this event on my personal behalf. At the same time, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries sitting here with us together. And this is the first time, actually, this is the really first time that we have got so long list of special and chief guests who have accepted our invitation and then who made their presence here, and I really humbly thank you all for being here. I would like to mention the names as well. Honorable Indian Ambassador Mr. Harish Parvatneni Garu, thank you very much. And Srimati Parvatneni గారికి కూడా చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ, చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు మా ఆహ్వానాన్ని ఇచ్చేసి మీరు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు. ఆనరబుల్ డాక్టర్ నర్గీస్ ఎస్కండారి గ్రీన్బర్గ్, Bürgermeister in Frankfurt, thank you very much for accepting our invitation and then being here with us together in this evening. Honorable Mr. Leonhard Hell, Bürgermeister Stadt Königstein, thank you very much. Honorable Professor Dr. Jan Werner, Bürgermeister Stadt Langen, thank you very much for being here with us. Honorable Mr. B.S. Mubarak, Consulate General of India, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको. Honorable Mr. Rahul Kumar, Stadtverordneter Frankfurt, thank you very much. Miss Nandini, the representative of Stadt Eschborn, thank you very much, ma'am. Mr. Stefan Schöngen, Newcomers Network, thanks a lot, Stefan, for accepting my invitation. Mr. Klaus Klipp, thank you very much here. Klaus is the chairman of the European Union, and thank you very much for being here. And last but first, actually, I would like to mention Mr. Javaji Garu, the CEO of Javaji Group of Companies, the well-wisher of Telugu community, and how would I say, who had accompanied the Telugu Association right from the founding day until now. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us together. So founding gurinchi, founder gurinchi maatladte, I think many of you already know when we have founded and then when we our association. We have been serving the community since 2006 and successfully serving the community since then until today, and then we take this legacy forward. And when I talk about legacy, I definitely have to remember our founder, Mr. Sai Reddy Dasari Garu, late Mr. Sai Reddy Dasari Garu, and he was the backbone of Telugu community, and not only Telugu community but also the whole Indian community. His family members are here present in our hall. Thank you very much from our behalf to the whole family as well. So with this, basically, I would like to let you all know that we are well connected and we have recognition not only in the Indian community but also in the German community, and we always stay for our community in any kind of situation, be it good, be it bad. And for me, from my point of view, I've been here in Germany for over 20 years, more than half of my life. I'm more an Indian, I'm more a German than an Indian in that matters, but my heart is still somewhere between India and Germany. So I do a lot of justice for my Matrubhumi, which is my motherland, at the same time my fatherland, which is Germany. So I cannot really differentiate between these two eyes. Like India and Germany, they are two eyes for me. And that's how I take my pride and my position serving the community, serving the association, be it in Frankfurt or be it the whole Germany. And from when I say from the serving the community, I would like to welcome our General Secretary, Mr. Surya Velaga, to also share his thoughts. At the same time, also, let you know how we are serving to the community. Surya Velaga onto the stage.
Yeah, ముందుగా అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. That is the reason we are here, to celebrate today, right? Thank you very much for everyone being here. As already Prabhanjan mentioned, we are not only organizing the events, but also we are growing together with all of you guys. Okay, so we are spreading our network across the Germany with all Indian and Telugu associations, and not only Germany. We have a wings across Europe. We are connected with all the Telugu associations across Europe. This event, the musical concert, each part is organized across Europe, and we are connected with all the Telugu associations. That is how we are spreading our wings, and we are all growing together. So at the same time, I would like to mention here, we have many Telugu associations who have joined us from Stuttgart, Mannheim, and Waldorf, and Munich. They are all here, and they are joined us to celebrate together with us. Thank you very much for everyone coming here. This is not only, we are not only organizing the events and all, but also we are helping everyone whenever they need it. Whoever reaching us, we are providing our support with our associates, whoever there, and with our the delegates' help. We are all supporting them and guiding them to handle the things in Germany. So, with that, I will give it again to Prabhanjan.
Thank you, Siji. Thank you, Surya. So I would like to take the opportunity and pride also to invite all our dignitaries onto the stage, one after the other, to start with Mr. Honorable Ambassador Harish Parvatneni Garu onto the stage, please. A big round of applause, please.
Thank you, sir.
And I would like to request our ambassador sir to say a few words about us and address the audience.
I especially take this opportunity at the outset to convey a very happy Ugadi and a very happy New Year to ఇక్కడ ఉన్న అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. వచ్చే సంవత్సరం మీకు మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులందరికీ చాలా శ్రేయస్కరంగా ఉండాలి, మీరందరూ హెల్దీగా ఉండాలి, అందరూ హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని కోరుతూ నా తరఫున నా వైఫ్ నందిత తరఫున మీ అందరికీ విష్ యూ ఎ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఉగాది అండ్ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్. In the last 2 years, our relationship with Germany has significantly grown. The community has grown to over 250,000. Today we have 45,000 Indian students here, the largest foreign student body in Germany. A majority of them are pursuing their masters and doctoral programs in MINT disciplines. A lot of them are looking for work opportunities here. I'm confident that the community will rally around to make the students feel at home. Please invite Indian students to be part of festivals and celebrations like this so that they don't feel homesick and they can feel very much a vibrant part of this community. Once again, thank you for inviting us and thank you for being such a model community and a model association.
Thank you very much, sir, for beautiful words and appreciation from your side. Thank you. I would like to invite Honorable Bürgermeisterin of Frankfurt, Dr. Nargis Eskandari Grünberg, onto the stage, please.
Sehr geehrter Mr. Ambassador, sehr geehrter Generalkonsul Mubarak, sehr geehrter Raoul Kumar, Stadtverordneten, meine Kolleginnen aus den wirklich an Städte, Herr Helm, Herr Dr. Werner und vor allem sehr geehrter Herr Präsident, Herr Gadella. Das ist mir eine große Ehre und Freude, heute bei Ihnen zu sein. Indien, Sie haben ja gesagt, man sagt, man hat ein Herzen, aber Sie haben uns gezeigt, man hat mehrere Herzen. Nämlich indischen, aber auch deutschen, Frankfurter Herzen. Und wenn ich sehe, allein in Frankfurt 20.000 Menschen aus Indien, Indierstämmigen hier in Frankfurt leben, dann kann ich als Bürgermeisterin sagen, ich bin so stolz, dass diese wunderbare Community in unserer Stadt lebt. Applaus für alle, die hier leben. Wenn ich Sie hier sehe, diese großartige Farben, wenn ich diese Kunst, Kultur, Musik, Tanzen, Essen, vor allem unglaublich qualifizierten Menschen hier in dieser Stadt leben, in unserem Land leben. Sie sind ein Reichtum für uns. Man kann sehr häufig von ihnen lernen. In Indien 30 unterschiedliche Sprachen gesprochen werden. Viele Menschen von Süd bis Nordindien, aber auch von überall. Ich durfte einmal in Indien reisen und ich war so begeistert. Ich habe gesehen, wie Menschen zusammenleben. Ich war begeistert, wie viel Gastfreundschaft in Indien großgeschrieben war. Und ich glaube, das ist, was sie hier nach Deutschland, nach Frankfurt und Rhein-Main-Gebiet bringen. Was sie mit ihrem wunderbaren Verein tun, das ist Brücken bauen. Sie haben ja gesehen, Sie haben ja auch angesprochen, sie bringen Menschen zusammen. Sie schaffen einen Raum, dass es Frieden gibt. Wir leben in einem Land, einer Zeit, das häufig Kriege, Krise uns verunsichert. Aber ich glaube, wenn wir heute das neue Jahr, Boadi, beginnen, das zeigt uns, was bedeutet Frieden. Das neue Jahr bedeutet, was Neues beginnen, zurückschauen, das Schlechte hinter sich lassen, aber das Gute immer im Vordergrund haben. Deswegen, ich bin wirklich sehr berührt, dass sie schaffen, Gruppen, Menschen. Ich finde wunderbar, wie viele Kinder heute da sind, diese Freude, dieses Frieden, dieses Miteinander großgeschrieben ist. Mein Vorname heißt Nargis und ich weiß, dass Indien, jeder kennt den Namen Nargis, den Namen einer Schauspielerin, die ganz bekannt war. Meine Eltern haben davon geschwärmt und ich kann nur sagen, diese große Verbundenheit mit Indien, mit Menschen, für mich als Bürgermeisterin der Stadt Frankfurt, ist große, große Freude. Daher kann ich nur Ihnen Danke sagen. Danke für all das, was Sie tun, für Kinder, für Kultur, für Frieden und Miteinander. Und ich weiß, wie viel Arbeit heute das eigentlich gekostet hat, dass Sie das ermöglicht haben. Daher im Namen der Stadt Frankfurt danke ich Ihnen sehr, dass Sie unsere Stadt mit Neujahr, mit diesem wunderbaren Fest, vor 3 Wochen haben wir Nowruz gefeiert in Frankfurt und ich glaube, das ist dieser Neujahr auch für Sie. Daher kann ich nur sagen, frohes neues Jahr, Happy New Year, bleiben Sie uns erhalten, machen Sie unsere Stadt, unser Land bunt, reich und Freude. Ich bin sehr stolz dabei zu sein. Ganz herzlichen Dank.
Das war ein beeindruckende Rede, Frau Dr. Nargis Eskandari. Vielen, vielen Dank für tolle Wörter über Indien, über Inder, die wir hier sind. Und wir werden unbedingt diese Brücken schlagen zwischen Indien und Deutschland. Und ich werde stolz sein, das zu machen. Vielen Dank. I would like to invite Honorable Bürgermeister of Königstein, Mr. Leonard Helm, onto the stage, please.
ఒక్కసారి తెలుగు వెలుగు కమిటీ మెంబర్స్ అందరినీ స్టేజ్ దగ్గరికి రావాల్సింది.
అందరూ ప్లీజ్ కూర్చోండి. A big round of applause, please. Königstein is a very integral part of, let me say, Frankfurt, and at the same time, we have a very emotional connection to Königstein. Number one, because Mr. Javaji lives there, and at the same time, we have been celebrating our Srinivasa Kalyanam for a couple of years now, and there Mr. Helm has been playing a very key role in procuring multiple things, and we are very grateful to you, sir. I'd like to request you to give some few words about our association and also about the Indian community.
Thank you very much, and I want to just refer to what Dr. Eskandari Grünberg just said. I think what she said was very right, that it is very important to build bridges between cultures. We have these strong bridges now between India and Germany. We can see that in Königstein, Mr. Javaji, who is a resident of Königstein, has established that in the last 2 decades, and I'm really happy that we had these India Days, lots of celebrations with the Indian community in Königstein. We are very proud that so many people from your great country are living here with us, are helping us in our society. They are not only learning how to live in the society as a German society, but they also bring their own culture to Germany and enrich our experience with other countries and other populations. And I think this is really very, very valuable, and this is a very good work. And that you have so many regions and so many different parts of culture. It is almost incredible to see. We in Germany have also different parts. Everybody knows Bavaria is very different from northern Germany, but I think the differences between India are even greater than that. And I think this is such a wealth that you're bringing here to Germany and to our region. We're really happy to have you here, and I hope that the Indian community and especially the Indian regions can flourish here and be part of our community for the next decades and centuries. And I think we all can profit from this, and we can work together, and we can make our world better together. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Making the world better together, I think that's pretty much required for the world at the moment. So thank you very much, sir. I'd like to welcome Honorable Bürgermeister of Stadt Langen, Professor Dr. Jan Werner, onto the stage, please.
ఒక్కసారి తెలుగు వెలుగు జర్మనీ కమిటీ మెంబర్స్ అందరూ స్టేజ్ దగ్గరికి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
A big round of applause, please. I also want to take the opportunity to thank our Stadt Langen Bürgermeister, Mr. Jan Werner, as the invitation went also on a short notice, sorry for that, but still he took the time to be present here to also address most of the Indians who are also living in Langen, and I'd like to thank you for taking your time, and please say a few words to the Indian community. Thank you.
So also from my side, a warm welcome. And as your ambassador already mentioned, I'm fighting. Okay, as your ambassador already mentioned, a lot of students from India are studying in Germany, and that's a very good connection between our both nations, because learning from each other is the best way to avoid in the future any problems. And during my time as I was a professor of economics, I always was very happy to have students from India, and I learned also a lot from them, because what surprised me always was that they learn German so easily, because every one of us knows how complicated German language is, but there we see the language heritage Hindu-German wings, and that's the reason why we hopefully can work in the near future more together. Because what the Germans never remind is that the biggest democracy in the world is India, and these are the common roots that we have together for a peaceful world with a lot of democracy. And therefore I was very happy to come here to speak to you, and you know, the best speech is short and sweet. Enjoy the evening. Thank you very much for the invitation.
Thank you very much. A big round of applause. I would like to welcome Honorable CG of India, Mr. D.S. Mubarak, onto the stage, please. Mr. Mubarak is our current CG, and I should say that he's very well connected to the Indian community, and at the same time, if I see all the social media posts from LinkedIn and so on, you are very much getting connected also to the business community, and I really appreciate that the way you especially are building the bridges between the community and also the diplomatic personnel here.
Thank you very much, Prabhanjan. Thank you very much, Surya. Honorable Ambassador of India, Madam Nandita, and also the Bürgermeister of Frankfurt, Königstein and Langdon, and Mr. Klaus Klipp, my friend, Mr. Stefan, all the Telugu community people who have gathered here. A very happy Ugadi to all of you. So when associations come to us, I tell them that they are a great platform to promote Indian culture. So the children have no opportunity or platform to perform or to learn Indian culture otherwise. So they really provide a platform for the children and the next generation to learn what Indian culture is all about. I also keep telling them that so it should not be a meet and greet event. We should invite Germans so that they can understand our culture and they can witness our culture. This is a testimony of this. We have so many Germans here witnessing this event. Thank you very much for this. And it also shows how you are integrated with the German. Ms. Nandini, when I was in Ashbourne, was able to also bring the mayor there. That was also a wonderful event. So every event that we organize, we should ensure that we have the mayors there. That will really help us promote the culture there and also to connect with them. Again, I thank you for giving this opportunity once again, and all the office bearers, wonderful event. And I hail from Tamil Nadu, Madras, which is half Telugu. So everybody, sometimes you keep people speak in Telugu and reply in Tamil. So again, it's like a part of my community. I feel it. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you very much, sir. I would like to invite our dear stud coordinator, Mr. Rahul Kumar, onto the stage, please. A big round of applause. And gentlemen, can you please take your seats? Gentlemen in the back, please take the seats. And a big round of applause. Rahul bhai, I would like to request to say a few words to the audience.
Honorable Ambassador, Honorable Mayor of Frankfurt, respected Consul General, it's an honor to see you all together. He said he has two eyes, German and India. I can see that. The Ambassador of India is sitting here and the Mayor of Frankfurt. This is the eye what he said. Both are for today here, the big applause. Actually, my mayor has mentioned all the things. I just want to add, inside us, from the community, Indian community, all the people are here. I think inside our heart, we are Indians. I feel like that because I'm living all my life here in Germany, but still, if I'm angry, if I'm dreaming, it will come in Hindi. So why is that? This is because of my father, he's from India and he bring me here. So, everybody are sitting here, we must show that we are connected to India with Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Please, with me, Bharat Mata Ki Jai! थोड़ा कम रह गया, एक बार जोश से भारत माता की जय! Thank you very much, see you soon.
Thank you. I would like to invite Ms. Nandini, the representative from Stud Ashbourne, onto the stage. And a big round of applause, please. Ms. Nandini has been instrumental in connecting the Indian community and getting the Indian community integrated in the Ashbourne city. Thank you very much, Ms. Nandini. Let's hear it for Nandini ji. May I request you to say a few words?
ఇక్కడ ఉండే అందరూ మహానుభావులకి నా వందనములు. విశేషంగా భగవంతుడి సమానం అని ఆ చిన్న పాపలు నేను అప్పటి నుంచి చూస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడే డ్యాన్స్ ఆడేది ఆ చిన్న పాపలు భగవంతుడి సమానం అని ఆ పాపలందరికీ ప్రణామం చెప్తా ఎక్కువ సమయం నేను తీసుకొని హానరబుల్ అంబాసిడర్కి వందనములు. ముబారక్ జీ మీకు వందనములు. sehr geehrter verhörter armer Bürgermeister und Meisterin, ich bedanke mich nochmal im Namen des indischen Community. Euch sind heute hier mit uns zusammen. Das ist ein Zeichen, dass miteinander zusammenleben. Das ist, was Deutschland ganz laut für Bürgerinnen immer sagt, das immer kulturell Austausch und immer miteinander zusammenleben. Das heute Abend mit euch zusammen. Sie haben das getan und ich bedanke mich für euch und euch alle mit uns zusammen. Für euch, ich bedanke mich im Namen des indischen Community. Und unsere Honorable Ambassador und our respected Consul General, die unterstützen uns sehr, sehr. Alle Vereine hier ohne Unterstützung. Unser Konsulat oder Ambassador sind so, das ist unsere Mutterwohnung. Wir brauchen erstmal, genau wie Kinder, wenn wir als Migranten hier kommen, wir brauchen eine große Mutterunterstützung. Ne? Es ist genauso, die unterstützen uns und unsere Namen des Community. Ich bedanke mich alle. Ganz herzlichen Dank. తెలుగులో ఒకటే ఒకటి చెప్పేస్తానండి. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నా నేను మీ పర్మిషన్ తీసుకుని ఒక్క నిమిషం. నాకు ఒకటి వ్యక్తి వస్తుంది అందరినీ ఇక్కడ చూస్తే, ఎలుక తోలు తెచ్చి ఏడాది రుద్దిన నలుపు నలుపే కానీ. ఎక్కడైనా వినున్నారా? అందరూ వినున్నారు కదా. మన వేమన్న గారు చెప్పినట్లా మనం ఏమి బర్గర్లో పాస్తాలో ఏమీ తింటేనూ ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ఉండే వంట, ఇక్కడ ఉండే పాటు, ఇక్కడ ఉండే మన సనాతన సంస్కారము, ఈ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఒక పప్పు అన్నం తింటాం కదండి, దాంట్లో ఉండే ఆత్మ సంతోషం ఎక్కడ లేదు చెప్తా. ఇలాగా ఈ సంతోషాన్ని మనం ఎక్కడే ప్రపంచంలో ಯಾವುದೇ మూల ఉంటేనూ మనము మన సంస్కారం, మన ఆత్మ ప్రేమని ఎప్పుడూ మన పాపులకు పంచుకొని మీ అందరి సహాయంతో మిమ్మల్ని నుంచి ఇదంతా కాకపోతా ఉన్నాయి. అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తాను. కొంచెం టైం జాస్తి తీసుకుంటాను.
Thank you, Nandini Garu. I'd like to invite my best friend Stefan onto the stage, please. A big round of applause to Stefan. He's the founder, or he currently runs Newcomers Network, and this Newcomers Network is basically the heart of, let me say, the Frankfurt, which connects the foreign expats to the city of Frankfurt. Stefan, thank you very much for coming to our event.
Thank you so much that I could come. Thank you for the invitation. Thank you all for coming, and thank you for being together. I think this better together, this is the important thing. I was traveling to India when I was at the age of 19, that was in 1997, 98. I was traveling through the country for about 6 months back then. So I probably know all the spots where you come from or where your families come from India. And the strong message I remember from back then, also the strong message I see here when I talk to you guys here, when I talk to friends of the Indian community in Frankfurt, the strong message is always that you guys say, why not? You always find a way through, you always find solutions. You're not the You don't say yes but, you always say why not. And this is a very strong link to our German community, which makes Germany, or which can make Germany strong, because we need more of that why not mentality. So we can learn from you guys to make the German community and the international communities in Germany, in Frankfurt, Rhine-Main stronger via the message, why not? Please let us cooperate, please let us stand together and make our nation, make our country, make Frankfurt, Rhine-Main area stronger via the teamwork, via the better together of all your communities and of our community. Thank you very much. And please all come to our Newcomers Festival. It's in the Frankfurt Römer in the City Hall. We're always joining. We're bringing together all the different nations that are finding their new home in Frankfurt Rhine-Main. And it's going to be on the 15th of September. Everybody is welcome. Thank you, Ms. Nagas Eskandari-Kuhnberg, for making that event possible, for having us in the Frankfurt Römer. Also, big thank you to Lord Mayor Mike Joseph, who also makes this event possible and has been there for the last 24 years. And this is a very strong symbol for Frankfurt and for the whole region, probably even for whole Germany, to have such a welcome mentality what we have in Frankfurt right now. Thank you.
Stefan, why not? A big round of applause, please. Great, thank you, Stefan. I'd like to invite my another friend, Klaus. Klaus has been very active in Frankfurt, not only in Frankfurt but also in the whole Europe. He's the representative of European Union, and thank you very much, Klaus, for accepting my invitation.
So I'm between the party and you, right? So I better cut myself short. Europa Union is trying to engage people for Europe. You are part of it. Our democracy works because people are interested in it and participate in it. And we do have elections on the 9th of June, European elections for the European Parliament. And I'm sure there are people among you here which have a European passport. It doesn't have to be a German, can be British, can be anything else. Oh, no, not British, sorry. Forget about it. We had Brexit, so better move. Any European EU passport we can vote, okay? And I just ask you take that opportunity. All right, and if you want to know more, next week Thursday is a holiday. There will be a Europa Fest on Römer Square. Come along there and look at what's happening. All right?
All right. Thank you, Klaus. A big round of applause. So as I said, thank you. As I said, we always have the last but first. And for us, the last but first is Mr. Javaji Garu. Javaji Garu, the beloved well-wisher of Telugu community, not only in Frankfurt but in the whole Germany. A big round of applause, please. ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు, నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Beloved, honorable ambassador, so it's really great to have you here, coming all the way from Berlin. Really appreciate that part. And all our great ambassadors, mayors, and all of the friends. Very great having you here. I just want to say a few things about the culture, about this thing. Actually, you know, our Indian culture, if you go back a little bit more, yogis and so on, that's how even Germans live. When I came first to Germany, I used to see the people here and say, Germans are yogis, maintaining time, sincere at work, doing all things which our yogis used to do. So, like he said, bridges, that's very important. We have that culture, and these people are also there. And for this type of things, it's very important to have such organizations, you know, actively working on it. 2005, when we did our housewarming in Coenstein, we got the priest from Tirupati temple and many others came and sitting, and we discussed what can we do for the community. Community is growing. Then sitting, we decided we'll build a Telugu association, and then we named it Telugu Velugu. And more important thing is, we were thinking a slogan, what slogan we should give. Then I said, integration is our mission. So the slogan still valid, integration is our mission. And actually, that statement is more accurate today than before. That's what last year's, everybody talks about integration. Our ambassadors are also said about culture, talking about very important. See, we Indians have lot of, like our Stefan also said, why not and whatsoever, all these things. We have the positive thing, positive nature, hard-working, sincere, wherever we go, they really bring value to that country. That's our Frankfurt Buddha Master also said, she also said that, right? Big applause for that, please. wherever our Indian community grows, we create value for the country, for the society. We really do things whatever best possible. You know, we have great people. And Germany is a great country. Germany being export leader for several years. Those small country, we have very, hidden champions here, technology wise. Number one, Germany. So it's a great country here, great country there. So it's good that organizations like this working on such things to integrate together and to bring such an event together. It's not easy. Believe me, we all come just celebrate. But I know the work done by our people to do such things. Let's give a big applause for the great organization. Lot of work they're doing, making this happen possible. So I'm really very thankful and great. This is a great opportunity. Let's keep doing integration be our mission and let's work on it. Keep going. A big round of applause to all of us. It's really a great job to keep such things and make it happen. I really appreciate all of you doing this work. I know I did these things, so I understand what it is. And really, congratulations and thanks to all of you in making this happen. Thank you. So, thank you very much. Sir, Honorable Mr. Ambassador Garu, ఒక్క 5 minutes because we are so we from the yeah, okay. మీరు అందరు గెస్ట్స్ ఒకసారి if you can please come on to the stage, it will be honored for that, please. I will request Ambassador and all the mayors to come to the stage. We can take a group photo. We were just talking about the culture and she also spoke about Vemana song. I want to say something there. When I came to Germany, we visited Hamburg University. So we went to visit Hamburg University. And in the university entrance, they had a big hall. And they displayed a lot of scriptures from different countries with their languages. there is one which we call in our Telugu language. It was like తన కోపమే తన శత్రు తన శాంతమే తనకు రక్ష దయచుట్టంబౌ. సో యాజ్ ఎ చైల్డ్ ఐ బై హార్ట్ చేస్తాను అది. అందరికి క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి ఎగ్జామ్స్, ఐ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్. I came Germany first time. That time, actually, hardly there used to be direct flights to India. No telephone, no WhatsApp, nothing. It was very difficult to live. No Indian food. Just about 30 years back. So when I read that, suddenly I said, "Wow." So what a meaning it was behind. So that such great is our culture, and also we are in a great country. As I said, we should really work for it, make it together, and make it great success. That will be wonderful. And we have our great CG and our ambassador sir. He came all the way just for this event. It's great, wonderful. Thanks a lot, and the mayor sir.
మన తెలుగు టీచర్స్ పవన్ గారు, లీలాకృష్ణ గారు, మీను గారు డయాస్ పైకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం.
Please welcome the Telugu teachers into the dance.
So you all guys know we have initiated Telugu language classes from past 6 months, and it was very successful, and kids are very enthusiastic to learn more and more. That is only possible because of our teachers here, Mr. Pawan Garu and Mr. Leela Garu and Madhu Garu. So we are also started conducting exams and all to evaluate the language learned by the kids. Now we would like to felicitate our gurus for our kids.
తెలుగు వెలుగు అంటే ఓన్లీ ఫంక్షన్స్ సెలబ్రేషన్సే కాదు, మేము చేసే సర్వీస్లో ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ ఎర్లియర్, ఇది ఒక ప్రముఖమైన సర్వీస్. అది మన తెలుగు భాషను నేర్పించడం, మన పిల్లలకి తెలుగు భాషను నేర్పించడం. అండ్ నాకు తెలుగు భాష అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. నేను తెలంగాణ మాట్లాడినా కానీ చాలా స్పష్టంగా స్వచ్ఛంగా మాట్లాడడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తాను. కానీ నా పిల్లలకి తెలుగు భాషని నేర్పించడానికి నేను చేసే ప్రయత్నంలో నా తెలుగు వెలుగు తరఫు నుంచి ఇది ఐ థింక్ ఇది ద బెస్ట్ ఎఫర్ట్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఎట్ ద మూమెంట్. అండ్ పవన్ గారు, ఐ షుడ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. నేను చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్పాలి మీకు. అండ్ మీ కమిట్మెంట్కి హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్. ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ పవన్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. Sehr geehrte Gäste, es ist uns gelungen, mit deutscher Sprache Telugu beizubringen in Deutschland. Seit 8 Jahren haben wir angefangen, auch unsere Telugu School in Waldorf, und seitdem haben wir selbst von den Kindern gelernt, wie man den beibringt. Und hauptsächlich Deutsch als Hauptsprache, Telugu als zweite Sprache. మీ పిల్లలకి తెలుగు వెలుగు పిల్లలకి వాల్డాఫ్ పిల్లలకి చెప్పిన దాంట్లో మేము చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాం. మేము గురువులుగా మాకు వాల్డాఫ్లో గురువులు వాళ్ళ ద్వారా నేర్చుకున్నది చాలా ఉంది. మీ పిల్లలకి మీరు నేర్పిస్తున్నారు. మీ సంస్కారానికి ధన్యవాదాలు. మేము చెప్పేది చాలా కొంచెమే. ఈ పిల్లలు ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు, 6 నెలల్లో వీళ్ళు గుణింతాలు, ఒత్తులు ఉన్న పదాలు, వాక్యాలు రాస్తున్నారన్నది మేమైతే ఎవరూ అనుకోలేదు. అది మీ తల్లిదండ్రులు మీరు చేసిన ప్రయత్నం, మీ పిల్లలు వాళ్ళు చేసిన ప్రయత్నం. మీ అందరికీ మీరే చప్పట్లు కొట్టుకుని దీని ద్వారా తెలుగు వెలుగు వాళ్ళకు కూడా నేను నా తరఫు నుంచి అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. చాలా సంతోషం అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. సో నౌ ద program continues.